Snow White and the Seven Dwarfs. Snow White was a beautiful princess. Her stepmother had a magical mirror that said, "You are the fairest of all." But one day it said, "Snow White is the fairest of all." The jealous stepmother sent Snow White to the forest with a soldier. She commanded the soldier, "Bring her heart back." But the soldier took pity on Snow White and freed her. Deep in the forest, Snow White reached the cottage of the seven dwarfs. The seven dwarfs let her stay with them. Her stepmother learned about it. She was very angry. Dressed as an old woman, the stepmother made Snow White eat a poisoned apple. As soon as Snow White bit into the apple, she fainted. The dwarfs placed her in a glass coffin. One day, a prince passed by the dwarf's cottage and saw Snow White in the coffin. He kissed her and woke her. The prince and Snow White were happily married.